Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. They can be triggered by eating too quickly, consuming hot or spicy foods, or feeling nervous. To stop them, try holding your breath for 10 seconds, sipping cold water slowly, or eating a teaspoon of sugar. These remedies can help reset the nerve impulses in your diaphragm and stop the hiccups.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.